Wake up, Emma. It is time.
Yes, Mom.
Let's not make noise, okay?
Yes.
He is sleeping like a baby.
Let's take this chance.
Get me the other one, please.
Here it is, Mom.
Wow. It is so beautiful. Happy birthday, Logan!
Mom, Emma, what a beautiful surprise! Mom, thank you so much.
I am so happy, my boy.
I wish you all the best, my brother. Thank you, my sister.
Happy birthday to you, my big boy. Okay, I understand. See you tonight. For you, my boy, I will come home early tonight. Mom will take you to the restaurant you choose, okay?
Hooray! Thank you very much, my kind dad.
Logan, Emma, are your seatbelts fastened?
Yes, Mom. Don't worry, Mom.
Welcome to our restaurant. Please follow me. Please have a seat, great King Logan.
Thank you, great sir.
Please, can you bring us some special plates and forks for a party? It is my son's birthday.
Of course, madam. Here is what you asked for. I will bring your order right away.
Let's clap for our birthday boy.
Oh no!
All of this must be very expensive. How are we going to fix this now?
All of this is because of me. I ruined my own birthday.
Please, can I talk to your manager?
I am listening.
We broke the plates by accident. I am sorry. If I can help in the kitchen or wash the dishes, I will do it.
Is today his birthday?
Yes?
Happy birthday to you. Don't worry, I will fix everything. Let's clap for our birthday boy!
This is the best birthday ever!
Happy birthday, my boy.